Hi friends, this is Siri here. Today we're going to read the story called A Tree for All Seasons. Let's take a look at it. It's a big book. It's hard to hold on to. Alright, let's start with this page. Year after year, a maple tree changes from season to season. Take a look. There's winter, there's spring, there's summer and fall. Notice all the differences between them. In winter, there's no leaves and it's cold and snowy, like the tree is sleeping. Then spring comes and blossoms start to come out, the leaves start to bud. Then summer comes and the tree's growing strong and tall. And then along comes fall or autumn, and the leaves start to fall asleep again to start the cycle over. Let's keep reading. In the winter, the tree is bare. It looks dead, but it is alive and well. Many things are happening. Squirrels nap in a cozy tree hole. Get a little bit closer so you can see the squirrels napping. A little bird sits on a branch and calls its name. Chickadee-dee. There's the tree, the little bird. Look closely at this tree. The bumps at the tip of the branch are buds. They will open into leaves when the weather gets warmer. You can see them right there, the little buds. As winter ends, nights are still cold, but days are getting warmer. It is perfect weather for farmers to collect sugar maple sap. There they are, collecting the sap from the maple tree. The sap flows out into the taps and into the buckets. That's where maple syrup comes from. The sap has no color until it is boiled. Then it becomes dark. So look, it looks a lot like water coming out of it. Kind of silly, isn't it? Then it becomes dark, sweet maple syrup. What a treat for pancakes and waffles. Look at how it changes. Let's compare. When it was here, it's not the same as when it was boiled. So the difference is that it was clear and it was boiled. It's still liquid. That's the same. That's what we can say is compare. And the contrast is that it changes colors when it's boiled. Let's keep reading. Spring brings warmer weather. How many of you guys can't wait till it gets to be a little bit warmer outside? That's me. The leaf buds open. Soon the maple tree grows floppy green flower tassels. Take a look at those tassels coming down. Birds build nests on the branches. Oh, there's some babies. Spring also brings rain showers. The tree's roots soak up water and carry it to all parts of the tree. Sunshine helps the tree make sap, which feeds the tree. Look at the veins in a leaf. Air, water, and sap all flow through them. Do we have something that flows through our veins? Think for a moment about what we might have. Kind of like we might be a tree too. In summer, the maple tree is covered with dark green leaves. So we've moved from winter to spring, and now we're into the summer where there's dark green leaves. Fruit called samaras is growing on the tree. It makes a good meal for chipmunks. Even on a hot summer day, you can find a cool place to play under a maple tree. here we are to autumn. In autumn, the tree's leaves turn bright colors. As the leaves dry up, they change from green to yellow, red, and orange. Each day, more and more leaves fall. Autumn brings chilly days and nights. Bugs crawl under the tree's bark where they will sleep through the cold winter. Animals get ready for winter when food will be hard to find. Squirrels hide lots of nuts and seeds. There's a big, nice picture of all those leaves. Kids are playing in it. Have you guys ever played in leaves? It's kind of fun to build a pile and jump into it. If you play in the leaves, you'll hear crunch, scrunch, crunch. But don't worry about making noise. The maple tree won't wake up again until spring. That was a great story about a tree for all seasons, how that maple tree went through all the different seasons. Think for a minute and see if you can come up with some ideas to compare and contrast to share with your class about the difference between winter and summer, or maybe the differences between spring and autumn, or the similarities, the things that are similar, compare them with winter and summer, spring and fall. Can't wait to hear what you come up with.